Come on, Betty. Spill just a few.
No.
Okay, just one bean? One.
No.
Have you ever said something in English and everyone smiled?
Or heard a sentence about beans, books, and hands and felt totally lost?
Today, we fix the small mistakes.
And we explain the crazy expressions everyone uses.
Let's go. Hi, I'm Sarah.
And I'm Jack. Today we have 3 short, funny stories.
In each story, one person makes a small English mistake, and the other one helps.
And there's always a funny expression to learn too.
Don't worry, we'll keep everything simple, slow, and fun.
Before each story, we'll ask you a question. Find the answer in the story.
Our question for this video: how many years are Frank and Betty married?
Write your answer in the comments. Let's find out.
Betty, tomorrow is our anniversary. 40 years.
I know, Frank. 40 wonderful years.
So tonight, let's do a special dinner.
Oh, that's a lovely idea. But we don't say, do a special dinner.
Why not? I do the dishes. I do the shopping. I do the garden every Sunday.
Yes, that's true.
I do the cleaning. I do the laundry. So, I do the dinner.
No. With dinner, we don't say do. We say have a special dinner or make a special dinner.
Have a dinner? But I don't take it from someone. It's not a gift.
Have doesn't mean take here. Have dinner just means eat dinner.
And make? Like I make a chair?
When you cook it, yes, make dinner. When you sit and eat it, have dinner.
So, I make the dinner in the kitchen, and then we have the dinner at the table.
Exactly, you've got it.
Tonight, I make a special dinner, and we have it together.
Perfect. And I have a little surprise for you.
A surprise? Tell me now.
No, I won't spill the beans.
Beans? What beans? Betty, are you holding beans? Wait. Put them in here. Don't spill them on my clean floor.
Frank, there are no beans.
No beans?
No beans. Spill the beans is an expression. It means tell the secret.
Oh, so if I spill the beans, I tell you the secret?
Yes, and I'm not telling. The surprise stays safe.
Come on, Betty. Spill just a few.
No.
Okay, just one bean? One.
No.
Okay. I make the dinner, you keep the beans.
Deal. Happy almost anniversary, my love.
Ready for a short shadowing practice?
Let's say them together. Here we go.
Let's make a special dinner tonight. Let's make a special dinner tonight.
What time do we have dinner? What time do we have dinner?
Can you keep the secret, or will you spill the beans? Can you keep the secret, or will you spill the beans?
Please don't spill the beans about my gift. Please don't spill the beans about my gift. Okay, now the second video.
Our question for this video: what does Lisa do tonight? Watch the movie or study?
Write your answer in the comments. Let's find out.
Tom, can you turn the TV down? I have my online lesson, and I need to pay attention.
Pay attention, Lisa? No. You give attention.
Give attention?
Yes. Pay is for money. You pay for coffee. You pay for the bus. But attention is free. So you give it.
Ow, Tom, it's not correct.
Think about this. How much does attention cost? $5? 10? Nobody pays for attention.
No, Tom, we really say pay attention.
Is there a shop? A big sign? Attention? Only $9.99? No. It doesn't exist.
Tom, stop. It's not correct.
And look, my wallet is empty. Pay with what? My buttons?
Here, pay is not about money. Pay attention just means listen carefully or watch carefully.
Really? So I don't open my wallet?
No wallet, just your eyes and your ears.
But Lisa, last week I said give attention and everyone understood me. Nobody said anything.
Maybe, Tom, people can understand give attention, but the correct, natural way is pay attention.
So when I watch a movie, I pay attention to the screen.
Exactly. Now you've got it.
From now, I pay attention. And it's free, the best price.
Perfect. So please, be quiet now. I really need to hit the books as well.
Hit the books? Why? What did the poor books do to you?
Tom, nothing.
Don't hit them. They are new. Lisa, this is not nice.
There is no stick, Tom.
No stick? You're not hitting them?
No. Hit the books is an expression. It means study hard.
Oh, so when you hit the books, you just study?
Yes. No fighting. Only reading.
So tonight, you hit the books?
Yes.
Okay. From now, I always pay attention.
Good. And I'll hit the books now.
Hit them gently, Lisa. They're new.
I will. Good night, Tom.
Good night. I'll keep the TV down for free.
Ready for a short shadowing practice?
Let's say them together. Here we go.
Hey, please pay attention to the road. Hey, please pay attention to the road.
Can you pay attention for 1 minute? Can you pay attention for 1 minute?
Do you want to hit the books tonight? Do you want to hit the books tonight?
Oh, I have a big test, so I need to hit the books. Oh, I have a big test, so I need to hit the books.
Okay, now the third video.
Our question for this video, how do Frank and Betty travel? By bus or by car?
Write your answer in the comments. Listen carefully.
Frank, the bus leaves soon. When will you be ready?
Don't worry, Betty. I will be ready 2 hours after.
2 hours after? We say in 2 hours.
In 2 hours? In?
Yes, in 2 hours.
But how do I get inside an hour? An hour is not a room.
Frank?
Is there a door? Is it small inside?
No. You don't go inside anything.
But you said in. In means inside. I am in the kitchen. I am in the car.
Yes, but here in is about time, not a place. In 2 hours means 2 hours from now.
So it tells me
When, not where?
Yes. When? 2 hours from now.
Ah, so I just wait, and then I am ready.
Exactly. No door, no box.
Okay, I will be ready in 2 hours. Maybe in 1 hour.
Good. But first, Frank, can you give me a hand? This suitcase is so full.
A hand? Which one?
What?
What? I have 2, Betty. If I give you 1, I only have 1 left. Okay, I am a good husband. I give you a hand. Here, take my right hand.
No, Frank.
But wait, when do you give it back? In 2 hours? See? I used it right.
You keep your hand, Frank.
But how do I eat my lunch with 1 hand? How do I hold my coffee? How do I wave goodbye?
Frank, stop! Nobody loses anything. Give me a hand is an expression. It just means help me.
Oh, so I keep both hands and I only help you?
Yes, both hands stay with you. Always.
Okay, then I'll give you a hand. No, 2 hands.
Perfect. Now push.
We close it together. Teamwork.
On a trip with you, I never get bored.
Ready for a short shadowing practice?
Let's say them together. Here we go.
Oh, the bus leaves in 20 minutes. Oh, the bus leaves in 20 minutes.
Hey, will you be ready in 5 minutes? Hey, will you be ready in 5 minutes?
Ugh, can you give me a hand with this heavy bag? Ugh, can you give me a hand with this heavy bag?
Oh, sorry. Let me give you a hand. Oh, sorry. Let me give you a hand.
Now, let's review everything we learned today. Let's make a special dinner tonight. Let's make a special dinner tonight.
Oh, what time do we have dinner? Oh, what time do we have dinner?
Can you keep the secret or will you spill the beans? Can you keep the secret or will you spill the beans?
Ah, please don't spill the beans about my gift. Ah, please don't spill the beans about my gift.
Hey, please pay attention to the road. Hey, please pay attention to the road.
Can you pay attention for 1 minute? Can you pay attention for 1 minute?
Do you want to hit the books tonight? Do you want to hit the books tonight?
Oh, I have a big test, so I need to hit the books. Oh, I have a big test, so I need to hit the books.
Oh, the bus leaves in 20 minutes. Oh, the bus leaves in 20 minutes.
Will you be ready in 5 minutes? Will you be ready in 5 minutes?
Ugh, can you give me a hand with this heavy bag? Ugh, can you give me a hand with this heavy bag?
Oh, sorry. Let me give you a hand. Oh, sorry. Let me give you a hand.
Great job today. You learned a lot.
Now tell us, which story made you laugh the most? The dinner, the study night, or the trip?
Write your favorite one in the comments.
And don't forget, write the answers to our 3 questions in the comments too.
See you in the next story. Bye.
Bye!